Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting your Mesh and pressing Tab to enter Edit mode. This gives you direct Vertex control. Make sure Vertex Select is active or press 1, because Edge or Face modes will prevent the exact removal. Once in the right mode, deselect everything with Alt+, and hover to click the vertex you want to remove. This precise selection matters, otherwise you'll delete unintended geometry. Now that the vertex is isolated, you're ready for the removal options that preserve topology. Decide how you want the mesh to behave. Press X or Delete and choose vertices to remove it and any connected edges, which is fast for cleanup. However, if you want to maintain surrounding faces, use Mesh Delete Dissolve Vertices. This removes the vertex but preserves the face loops. Alternatively, press M to merge and weld it to a nearby vertex when you want to collapse geometry without creating holes. These choices affect topology, so pick the one matching your end goal. Once the vertex is gone, inspect the mesh for holes or shading errors and recalc normals with Shift+N if faces look dark or inverted. If a hole appears, use F to fill a face or bridge edge loops for a cleaner patch. These tools restore geometry without rebuilding from scratch. If the result looks wrong, immediately undo with Ctrl+Z and try the other removal method, dissolve versus delete versus merge. Because different meshes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.